Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Kaksha. So in this part of the video we are going to discuss about a new chapter which is Earth, Sun and Moon. So what are we going to discuss in this chapter? In this chapter we will discuss about the solar system, about Sun, Earth, Moon and eclipse. Okay. So ये सारी चीज़ें हम इस चैप्टर में डिस्कस करेंगे. हम डिस्कस करेंगे सोलर सिस्टम के बारे में, सन से रिलेटेड डिटेल्स, अर्थ, मून और एक्लिप्स, इन सभी चीज़ों के बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे इस चैप्टर में. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं सोलर सिस्टम की. व्हाट इज़ अ सोलर सिस्टम? सन एंड 8 planets दैट रिवॉल्व अराउंड द सन टुगेदर फॉर्म the solar system. So what is a solar system? Solar system is basically combination of sun and all 8 planets. They are combinedly called, this whole family is called solar system. Okay. Other than the planets, satellites of various planets, comets and asteroids are also part of solar system. So they are main part. Planets and sun are main part, and along with other than that we have some other parts also. They are called satellites or natural satellites of various planets. Okay, comets, asteroids. So these are also some celestial bodies. Okay, they are found in space, so they are called celestial bodies. So they also like as you can see here, satellite is given a celestial object that moves around a planet. What is a satellite? Satellite is basically a celestial object that revolves around a planet. Okay, like moon is the satellite of the earth. Okay. So the sun is at the center of the solar system, and there are 8 planets revolving around the sun. These planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus and Neptune. So these 8 planets, you have to keep this order in your mind. Okay, you have to learn them in order. First one is Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, 5th Jupiter, 6th Saturn, 7th Uranus and 8th Neptune. They revolve around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. तो ये जिस पाथ में रिवॉल्व करते हैं सन के चारों ओर, दैट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड ऑर्बिट्स. ओके. मरकरी इज द स्मॉलेस्ट प्लैनेट एंड इज कॉल्ड द क्लोजेस्ट प्लैनेट टू सन. ओके. सो मरकरी इज क्लोजेस्ट टू सन. Venus is the hottest and brightest planet. Earth is also called blue planet, and it is the only planet where life is known to exist. Mars is also known as red planet. Okay, so you have to learn these points about these planets. Okay, Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Okay, so Jupiter is the largest planet. Saturn is the second largest planet after Jupiter, and it has rings around it. Okay, Saturn is so light that if there was a tube of water, okay, Saturn is so light that if there was a tub of water big enough to hold it, it would float in it. Okay, so means the weight of Saturn is very light. Okay, it is very light weighted. Saturn is, and then it would float in it. And Uranus is coldest planet of all of the solar system. Okay, Uranus is the coldest planet. Neptune is the planet farthest from the sun. So the distance from the sun and Neptune is maximum. Okay, from sun. So these are some details about the planets that we find in our solar system, as you can see here in this picture. So sun, first one is Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So this is our solar system. Okay, now let us see some details about sun. Sun is a star that is situated at the center of the solar system. Okay, so sun is at the center of the solar system. It is a huge ball of burning gases. Its size is about 109 times that of the earth. तो सन का जो साइज है वो अर्थ का 109 टाइम्स है, मीन्स 109 अर्थ कैन बी फिटेड इनटू द सन. ओके, and its mass is about 330, okay, 330,000, or you can say 330,000 times of the earth. It is almost 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. So the total mass means 99.86% of the total mass, okay, is found in the solar system. Okay, hydrogen and helium gases are the major constituents of the sun. So it is made up of mainly hydrogen and helium gas. Okay, and the sun has a thin layer, and this outer layer is called corona. Okay, and the central part of the sun is called core. Okay, so these are some important points. In the core of the sun, hydrogen gas continuously get converted into helium. A very large amount of heat and light energy is released during this process. Energy released by the sun is called solar energy. तो सन से जो सोलर एनर्जी निकलती है, सन का जो सेंटर वाला पार्ट है, जो कोर वाला पार्ट है, वहाँ पर क्या होता है कि जो हाइड्रोजन है वो कंटिन्यूसली चेंज होती रहती है हीलियम में. ओके, एंड उस हाइड्रोजन के हीलियम में कन्वर्ट होने पर ह्यूज अमाउंट में हीट और लाइट एनर्जी रिलीज होती है, जिसको हम सोलर एनर्जी बोलते हैं. ओके, टेम्परेचर ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ सन इज़ अबाउट 6000 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो अर्थ के जो सन पे टेम्परेचर है वो कितना है, 6000 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है. All living things on earth ultimately depend upon the solar energy for their existence. तो जो भी हमारे लिविंग थिंग्स हैं, लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं, वो सारे हमारे कहाँ पर होते हैं, किस पे डिपेंड करते हैं, सोलर एनर्जी पर डिपेंड करते हैं. ओके, उनके एग्जिस्टेंस के लिए. सो दीज आर द डिटेल्स अबाउट सन. नाउ विल डिस्कस अबाउट अर्थ. Earth is third planet from the sun. It is surrounded by an envelope of air known as atmosphere. The atmosphere of the earth protects us from harmful radiation of the sun. The inner part of earth is divided into three main layers: crust, mantle and core. Crust is the outermost layer of the earth. Its thickness ranges from 5 km below the ocean floor to about 70 km below the land. So it is the width of crust, and the continents and the oceans are on this layer. It is made up of rocks and contains all things essential for life. So जितनी भी essential, हम कहाँ पर रहते हैं, जो animals हैं, जो भी living things हैं, they are found in crust part. Okay, upper part of the crust. Mantle is the middle layer of the earth lying between the crust and the core. The thickness of mantle extends up to 2890 km. The outer region of the mantle consists of solid rocks. The outer region is made up of solid rocks, but inner region of the mantle consists of molten rocks. It is in molten form. Okay, melt होती हैं, liquid form में होती हैं. During volcanic eruptions, molten magma comes out. जो मैग्मा, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, जो molten rocks होती हैं, इनको हम बोलते हैं mantle में जो पाई जाती हैं, they are called magma. Okay, and when they come out during volcanic eruptions, so they convert and they are converted or they are renamed as lava. Okay, and core is the innermost layer of the earth. it is mainly composed of iron and nickel. The outer core is in a molten liquid state. Okay, जो outer core होती है वो एक molten liquid state में है. It extend up to 3400 किलोमीटर. ओके, इसकी जो width है that is 3400 किलोमीटर. And the inner core is a solid sphere mostly of iron situated about 1220 kilometer from the outer core. So these are some details related to the earth. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now in next part we will discuss about, as you can see, let's discuss this also in this video. As you can see here, the part of the earth. So the uppermost part is called crust, the middle part is known as mantle. Okay, then we have two parts of core, outer core and inner core, as you can see in this figure. Okay, so this is the internal structure of the earth. Okay, so when you go inside the earth, so you will find these three structure: crust, mantle and core. Let's see this exercise. The outer thin layer of the sun is called, so outer thin layer is called corona. Okay, the core of the sun, in the core of the sun, dash gets converted into helium, hydrogen gets converted into helium. The interior part of the earth is divided into dash parts, so three parts. Okay, the interior part of the earth is divided into three parts: crust, mantle and core. The middle layer of the earth is called mantle. The major element of inner core is, जो inner core का major element कौन सा है, क्या पाया जाता है inner core में, that is iron. Okay, so that's it. In next part of the video we will discuss about moon in detail, and so that's it for today. We will discuss the rest of the chapter in next part of the video. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Take care.